Hello, good morning, students. In the chapter 2, we have studied about the parallel lines and the meridians. So, as I have also explained in the classroom, that what are the parallel lines and what are the meridians. So, beta, the parallel lines, as you are able to see in the this diagram also, the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. The parallel lines means the lines which are drawn horizontally. These are the imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally on a globe to locate the proper locations of the world, and these are the vertical lines. The vertical lines, they are called the meridians, or another term for this is latitude and longitude. So let's have a look on a map, earth. So bache, this is earth. You know, the upper tip of the earth, this is called the northern hemisphere, north pole, sorry, and the lower tip of the earth, this is called the south pole. So now the upper area, this area, it is all, the whole area is called the northern hemisphere, and the southern area, it is known as the southern hemisphere. So this upper area, we call it as a northern hemisphere, and this southern area we call the southern hemisphere. The area in the southern part, it is called the southern hemisphere. So now bacha, let's learn more about the parallels and the meridians. So now you can see in this picture, the upper side is the north pole and the lower side is the south pole. This is the south pole and this is the north pole. There are the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. So the lines which are drawn horizontally means the sleeping lines. They are called the latitudes, and the lines which are vertical or the standing lines, these are called the longitudes. So the longitudes and the latitudes, now you are able to understand. What is the prime meridian? Prime meridian means it's a place where the 0 degree, where it is measured the 0 degree. We also call it the Greenwich, which tells us the time. Means Greenwich in London, it's also known as the prime meridian, and we marked it at 0 degree. And as it marks as 0 degree, so the time in the Greenwich is mentioned the world time, and we follow the time accordingly to that, varies from place to place. Now the North Pole. See the North Pole, the South Pole. What is this, beta? This is equator, the line which divides the earth into two equal parts. This is called equator. These are the North Pole and South Pole. Now in this picture you are able to see the northern hemisphere, the South Pole, the North Pole, and the parallels of latitude, longitude, this northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Antarctic Circle in the downwards, Arctic Circle upwards. You are able to see everything very clearly through these pictures, and I hope that you people are able to understand it also. If you have any doubts, we can clarify the doubts with the discussions. So here in this picture you are able to see 1 degree latitude is equals to approximately 111 kilometers. So this is how we are able to locate the continents in this map. Hope you are able to understand, beta, the difference between the latitude and the longitude, and what is the northern hemisphere and what is the southern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere, it is the northern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere, it is equator. The places lies between the equator and the northern hemisphere, it is called the Antarctic Circle. Means they lies in the Antarctic zone. Where is the Antarctic Circle? Antarctic Circle is over here. This is the above place, it is called the Antarctic Circle. This is the Arctic Circle and this is the Antarctic Circle. At the northern hemisphere, Arctic Circle, and at the southern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. The places above, they are called the frigid zones. Means down, up and down near to the north and south pole, they are called the frigid zones. They are the frozen areas. So now we can locate the things on the globe. So these lines, these parallel lines of the longitude, the network of these parallel lines is called the grid. So the network of these parallel lines, it is called the grid. Okay, bacha.